Hi guys! So in this video I am doing a collab video. This is a collab. It's called the Mermaids and Unicorn collab. There's like 16 people confirmed in this collab. Possibly 19. There's like 3 others who are like not completely, we don't know for sure if they're in it. So I'm gonna list off the bat. I know Summer is doing it, Jessica Paris is doing it, Amy Lynn is doing it. There's literally so many people doing it right now, and I'm filming on my phone and the list is on my phone, so I can't even read it. There's a lot of people in this collab and it looks really exciting. So it's unicorns and mermaid makeup, so I can either do unicorn makeup, mermaid makeup, or both. So I'm probably gonna do kind of like a mix, basically, something in between, maybe more unicorn, or maybe, I don't know yet. I'm gonna start putting it on and we're gonna see what it goes with, what I go with. Both of my previous collabs were fairly wearable. The Nintendo collab was not really wearable, but it was pretty safe. Like I didn't like put much out on my face or anything, so I think I'm going to try and be a little more creative this video. So that's exciting. Yeah, but so I've already done my face. I put powder on my face and I'm baking under eye because this is going to be a little more of a colorful look, hopefully. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna start. Okay, so I have primer on. So just next, I think we're gonna start with a base. For my base, I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna take from this palette, the Morphe palette. I haven't really played with this that much. I've used it once, like for a look, and then I've taken like 1 or 2 colors out of it. Besides that, 2 shimmers. I haven't really tried like the browns. I haven't even tried all the reds and shimmers yet. Okay, so that's on there. I'm gonna actually build this up and kind of make my whole I'm just gonna build that up. So that's the white on there. That's actually really good white. It's actually really nice. Or is it white? I think it's like an off-white. For my skin tone, it's white though. Okay, so already looking crazy. So it's good that I have on brows at least. I have no idea. I'm gonna go with pink first. Pink, or yeah, I don't have a matte pink, which I don't think I do that I can think of. So I'm just going with like a red. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush. It's a blending brush, and then I'm going to take this color right here, which is kind of like a nice light red, pink. I'm gonna put that all over the crease. I'm gonna go in with this dark color here. It's a little darker. Okay, so next I think I'm just going to take, okay, so I have decided I'm going to do a mermaid look. No, sorry. I'm going to do a unicorn look, but not really mermaid, just more unicorn-esque. I think that's what I'm going to go for. Hopefully it didn't even make sense as a unicorn look. I have no idea. So I'm just going to go ahead and start by taking some of this turquoise blue from the Impress You palette. This is probably going to become my most used palette. I'm probably going to hit pan on that one first. Taking a fluffy brush. I'm going to put that out here. Okay, then I'm going to go in with a kind of shimmery turquoise, light green, brown, blue. Doesn't have a mirror on it. And I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. Then I'm going to go in with this shimmer right here. Just like a pinkish shimmer, champagne. Put that in the outer section and blend that into the blue turquoise shimmer. Back over. And I am fine with bringing this down. I'm gonna bring that red down, actually. Bring it in. For like the inner eyes and like the waterline and stuff. And I'm going to try and make marks. Oh, that's working. I don't know if it's gonna work here. So what I'm gonna do next is actually with a brush, like a thin brush. I want to see if I can create a eyeliner kind of thing using this color tattoo. I don't know if this is gonna work actually. This might not work. I'm gonna dig down and put it on my hand and then take. Okay, so then I am going to actually brush off my bake so I can start. I'm going to start the face stuff. I'm going to do lashes and whatnot, but I'll do that after. I want to see how this comes out so I can see how dramatic I need the lashes to help pull it together. You know, lashes pull everything together. Take the same brush because why not? Then I'm going to take this orange first. I think I will do that. Hopefully. So I'm gonna actually put that here. Fill that up just a bit for contour. Kind of build that into the hairline. So I'm gonna take this same brush, and I think what I'm gonna do is take this purple. I'm gonna build that up. And I'm gonna put that below. So what I'm gonna do now is I just use my finger, and I'm gonna take this right here, which is like actually like an iridescent white, but it like comes off actually with like. You move it around, you can see a little bit of blues and purples in it. It's very pretty. It's show the shade Road Stripe in this palette. So it's almost like periwinkle-ish. Kind of build that up. So what I'm going to do next, taking this again, going into here, take the pinks, they're pink reds, and I'm going to brush that across my nose. Okay, so next I'm just gonna take this light green right here from the Vice Floated palette, and I'm gonna kind of pat it into this area. See how that looks. I got this from Shop Miss A, you know, the one for $1, the Prism Cream Eyeshadow in silver. So I'm going to pick up some and put it just in the center, actually. Okay, so I've got the shadow on, the cream eyeshadow. It's looking like that, this little patchy. I don't think it's one of those eyeshadows meant to really be drawn on and like done all that. I usually just pack it on mine, and that's how it went to work. So I'm going to take, what color should I take? I can do pink, blue, purple. I'm gonna take, yeah. I'm gonna take some blue actually. So I'm gonna take from this palette, the Impress You palette, I'm gonna take this blue and we'll place that right on top. That's what it's looking like. I'm not liking that color so far. So I'm gonna go in with the road stripe again, kind of run that around it. This is gonna be a disaster to take off once I finish this video. I'm gonna take this purple right here actually. Kind of bring that in around the top section. With this same brush actually. It's a little easier to work with. Of the nose bridge. I think I'm gonna put it in an inner corner highlight. I'm gonna take this gold line yellow and blend that into the green, and that'll be my inner corner highlight. Take this again, start dotting around my face. That just dots around my face. It's very shiny. I think all I have to do is like highlight my face. I'll do my hair, and then put my lashes on. Okay guys, so if you notice, I've done my hair. I just did like little side side buns, yeah, not pony buns, side buns. They're very messy buns. This one stopped falling down, which is really annoying. And these lashes on, never tried them before, so if these don't work, I'll try something else and I'll tell you guys about it. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on now. I think I'm gonna go ahead though and do a bit of a line as like eyeliner. But since I did this, I don't want to go over anything. I'm gonna line the top of this white. Hopefully, that'll be okay. I think they're even. Are they? They're fairly even, so I'm gonna go for it. So there's that. All I think I have left, oh my gosh, my buns are going out of control now. Is just highlighting. So I'm going to take a bit of this pink highlighter right here, mix it with this red and the gold, and I'm going to kind of highlight here, hopefully. And then I'm going to take the pink and gold in my nose. Okay, I'm blending that into the, what do you call it? Pink on my nose. I think honestly guys, the favorite part of my face is actually my nose. I actually like the way this looks, but I don't know if you guys have seen the trend of like, or like this makeup look people were doing back last summerish and stuff, where people would put blush over their nose and then just fake freckles. So I don't know. I do actually like it though. This is my least favorite part. I think it was a mistake. I should have done that, but I can't figure that now. I'm gonna put the pink and gold above my Cupid's bow, and then last thing, besides fixing, I'll do fix my hair off camera, but I just have to do my lips. So for my lips, I think I will take a mix of these two shades right here. This is from Shop Missy, the Diamond Lip Gloss in 24K and Bubblegum. But for the base, I think I'm gonna do a nice pink, hopefully. We'll see how that works. So what I'm gonna do is kind of line my inner lip. Basically, I'm taking this NYX lip liner pencil in sand pink, and this is a very good pencil, but I'm just gonna line the inner parts. I'm trying to like blend it out like that. Yeah, and that's good. And I'm gonna take, I think I want to take just bubblegum actually in the center. So basically, I think I'm done. Yeah. That was not too bad. I'm gonna put a little bit more in this bow. A little more. So this is the final look. So it's that. I actually kind of like this. This would be kind of cool to do again for like Halloween or something. It looks like this. Not bad. I think I did decent, hopefully. I know there's gonna be a bunch of really amazing looks from this, from like everyone who's doing this, because everyone is like super creative and stuff, and so mine is probably like not gonna be that great in comparison. But for me, this is more creative than I usually would go for, so it's better than I expected. Not too bad. Okay, so this is my unicorn look. I don't see anything unicorn about it, quite honestly. If I saw this look in like in a picture somewhere or something, I wouldn't think this was a unicorn inspired look. I keep wanting to say mermaid, but unicorn. I don't know. I'd probably assume this was something else. But I think I tried, so it's good enough. Yeah, this was actually really fun to do. I like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share, subscribe. Yeah, check out everyone else's collabs. I'll have them down in the description bar below. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.